Welcome to Zimmer&Kreim. Welcome to an innovative developer of machinery and concepts for tool and mold construction. Our systems stand for a new dimension in process optimization, a leader in the field of cavity sinking machines, an international leader in the area of handling systems, and system-wide thanks to the innovative software solutions. With the combination of our expertise and skills, we are a worldwide leader when it comes to automation concepts. Our particular strengths are international positioning, high service availability, and the claim of only developing the best products for our customers. Because we know you need flexible solutions today, with which you will also be able to convince your customers in the competitive world of tomorrow. Hello, I'm the Chameleon handling system, a robot, and the heart of the ingenious automation concept from Zimmer&Kreim. I'm a completely open type. I bring together all types of different machinery from a wide range of suppliers into one single process. I don't want to sound immodest, but I'm far and away the world market leader. I'm perfectly designed. My gripper arm, for example, is extremely versatile. And because I can turn completely on my own axis, I'm therefore extremely mobile between the magazines. Fortunately, I'm controlled by a database. It knows exactly what it's doing and organizes the manufacturing process. Whether single or double grippers or grippers for pallets, I use all common clamping systems. This assures you of the autonomy you need. I also know which gripper must be used and when, and change it automatically. Between you and me, what would the magazines be without me? Modules with no controlling intelligence, but I fit them exactly as they need, with a combination of electrodes, workpieces and tools. Finding them is no problem. I identify every piece automatically, even if you change the number of magazines to suit your growing demands. Oops, here I am talking only about myself again. Your manufacturing process is the most important thing. So come along with me and let me show you such a process sequence. Everything begins at the programming station. Here lies the Superbrain, the central database, where the electrodes, workpieces and tools are recorded and identified. Intelligent software components organize the flow of data. They integrate all the technologies needed. New pieces are placed in the magazine manually and then identified automatically by yours truly. Once identified, all workpieces and tools make their way absolutely reliably through the process, precision and speed, just as required in mold construction. I transport them personally for milling, measurement, cavity sinking and cleaning. Of course, this means a lot of running around for me, but in return, faults and mistakes are excluded from the very beginning. I recognize every workpiece and every electrode, wherever it has been placed in the magazines. I know in what position they are needed. Even if they change their position in the meantime, I find them again, with absolute reliability. My machines, I know them. I know exactly what they need. Here, for example, I'm supplying workpieces for the cavity sinking process. The central database tells me which tools are needed for the processing step and when, and organize their use to perfection. The advantage lies in the gripper, doesn't it? Because they work reliably and with no time delay. This enables you to achieve controlled quality at every phase of the process. What use are the fastest machines if the other procedures are not organized efficiently? Zimmer&Kreim has integrated manual cleaning and loading into the process with a transfer and cleaning station. The dielectric remains run off by tipping the pallet. The pallet is then cleaned so that it can be used again immediately. Time saving and speed, but industrial safety still comes first. If one of the light sensors detects manual intervention, the whole system comes to a stop immediately. The user is therefore able to intervene manually in the ongoing process at any time in order to make necessary changes. I can also be controlled by means of a PDA. The Flexible Manufacturing Cell, FMC. This is the individual automated manufacturing unit in your company. The size is determined only by your requirements on productivity and throughput times. Here, for example, you can see me in operation in a large milling cell, in which up to 4 different milling processes can be carried out simultaneously. This demonstrates that I don't have my name without good reason. I adapt myself all the time to every situation. And how does this benefit our customers? Superb cost effectiveness. Automated handling with me, the Chameleon, is efficient in every extension stage of your manufacturing cell and always a sound investment. Because I have a consistent modular design. This enables a completely relaxed look into the future, not only for me. Whatever you are planning, you will have a system which can grow along with you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to another new member of the ZK family. TransClean, the washing station, is our latest development. Following the automatic loading and processing, the automatic washing of the pallets and workpieces can now also be integrated. And this ensures substantial time saving and optimized utilization of resources, particularly in large milling cells. After this, I move on to the measuring machine. There, the workpiece is matched to the store 3D data. Wherever I stand, I don't take up much space. I always provide the greatest possible efficiency in the least possible space. Flexible, versatile, extendable, and reliable. And I'm also quite attractive. Well then, see you soon in your factory. Process-wide working with the Chameleon doesn't end with our own machines. It incorporates all technologies of all manufacturers into the process, perfectly tailored to your requirements. We take complete responsibility for this as the system supplier. Do you find that too audacious? Perhaps, but it is justified by our success and also puts us under an obligation. In the future too, ZK, simply genius.